Right then, I'm going to be known as Mickey Greenfinger now. Do you know what I mean? The only problem is I'm in the car. Do you know what I mean? I'm in the car.
We're Dr. Pepper.
What do you mean, Dr. Pepper? And then we didn't think about, I'm in the car with 5 kids. With 5 kids, Mickey Greenfingers, and my new fruit tree, apple tree, and strawberries. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, in the boot though. See how little, she's like a little train. She takes after her dad. That's Hellier, mate. She's a bit like a train, but she's a bit weaker than a train. Do you know what I mean? This is the life, innit, lads? Do you know what I mean? Now,
Ellie, hurry up. I can do
he
it.
takes after his mother. We're going to have to slide the tree down there. There we go. Do you know what I mean? Boom, straight in.